to start this competition. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our first contingent, the Shimmery Stars! Grabe! At PRRO, SOCD, our teachers, for joining us and being with us during the 6 parade earlier this morning. Of course, to the different school heads of our 7 contingents, allow me to mention them, Ma'am Rosemary Galgar, Ma'am Eileen Blasco, Ma'am Ika Naksayo, Ma'am Mercy Bruno, Sir Christopher Minao, Ma'am Agnes Dano, Ma'am Eileen Lumasag, Sir Emerson Ikoy, Ma'am Nani Mora, at Sir Ronald Solano, daghan kaayong salamat for allowing your pupils to participate in this competition. Of course, to our proud parents, proud parents! If not because of our proud parents, definitely wala tayong performances from our learners in this competition. Usap naman yan sa proud parents and proud guardians. To our trainers, to our teachers, thank you so much. To our first presenter or our first contingent, your designated area is here. This is the stage, it's the left side of the stage. Lahat tayo nakakasil ng mga numbers. That is your designated area. Requesting our teachers of contingent number 1, please let us start our students, our learners. Ako po ihapyo ang ato ang marshals with a speed gawin sa atong entrance para di magsusunod ang ato ang next contingent. Thank you so much to our members of the Board of Presidents. So good as that said, wala na ulo. So good na. Because your task is to choose the best among the best. For the information of everyone, our champion today will take home 90,000 pesos plus our trophy. Our second place will receive 80,000 pesos plus trophy. Our third placer will receive 65,000 pesos plus trophy. And of course, we have a consolation prize of 50,000 pesos. We are also giving such awards for our best contingent, who will receive 7,000 pesos, best uniform, 50,000 pesos, and the most disciplined contingent, another 50,000 pesos. First time to a witness, we still have 6 more contingents. This year, we are so blessed to have 7 official contingents for the Global Festival Blackboard competition. Of course,